Being able to see the road clearly at night is essential to nighttime driving safety. What many drivers don't know is that they can get much more light from their headlights by simply upgrading their headlight bulbs. Join us as we shine some light on how you can make your driving experience more enjoyable with the switch of a bulb. Meet Sabine Sanchez, a PR manager and mother of two who's constantly on the go. Between working late hours and finding time to spend with her kids, Sabine is used to driving at night, but has recently discovered challenges with her vision that have her concerned.
Well, I noticed that when I'm driving at night lately, I'm really having a hard time. I'm struggling to see where I'm going, and I'm squinting. I can't see the signs or the oncoming traffic, and I really feel like my eyesight is deteriorating. And I'm really concerned for the safety of my kids, because that's when we do majority of our driving is at night.
Sabine is on her way to meet with Jake Spencer with Philips Automotive to discuss her driving concerns and install the new Philips XtremeVision headlight bulb.
Hi, Sabine. I'm Jake from Philips Automotive.
Hi, Jake.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Sabine, I completely understand your concerns for your safety, and I'm 100% certain that once we upgrade your headlights with the Philips XtremeVision bulbs, you'll be seeing much better and clearer at night.
That sounds great.
All right, let's do this.
Installing new headlights is a job that almost every driver can do. It's recommended that you wear gloves to protect your hands and the bulb. Plus, you can check for videos on how to change the bulbs online. Once Jake has installed the new set of bulbs in Sabine's car, they head out to put them to the test.
So, Sabine, can you see a little bit clearer, a little bit further?
Yeah, I can. I notice I'm not squinting. I'm not struggling to see where I'm going. I'm not worried about what's coming at me. I can definitely see clear. I'm so happy about that.
Good, I'm really glad to hear that.
Another way to ensure that you have even lighting when driving at night is to change the bulbs in pairs. Doing this means installation is one and done. Those XtremeVision bulbs sure do pack a punch. Now that Sabine is all set with her new pair of upgraded headlights, Jake breaks down the science behind the beam.
The Philips XtremeVision bulbs are going to deliver up to 100% more vision on the road at night. That's going to increase your safety and your comfortability while you're driving.
That's exactly what I need.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, honey. Guess what? What?
I just hit a home run.
Great job. That's awesome. Mario, this is Jake.
Hi, Jake.
Hey, Mario, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Well, Jake, I'm so excited about my new Philips headlight bulbs. Thank you so much for all of your help.
Sure, Sabine, anytime.
For more information on Philips' innovative lighting solutions, visit philips.com/automotive.